In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut for email templates folder in Outlook ribbon. If you use email templates regularly, adding a quick shortcut to your Outlook ribbon can save you time and clicks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, easy to find button that opens your templates in a single step. Begin by opening Outlook. We'll customize the ribbon from within the app so the changes apply right where you work. Go to the File tab in the top left corner, then choose Options. In the Options window, select Customize Ribbon. This is the control center for tailoring Outlook's interface, and it's where you can add your own commands and groups to any tab. Next, decide where you want the shortcut to live. Most people prefer the Home tab because it's the one you see most often while composing and managing messages. Click to highlight the tab you prefer, so Outlook knows where to place your new shortcut. Now create a dedicated space for it. Click New Group on the right side. This keeps the new command organized and avoids mixing it with built-in buttons. You can optionally rename the group to something clear and memorable, like templates, so you instantly recognize it on the ribbon later. With your new group selected, look to the drop-down labeled Choose Commands from on the left. Change it to All Commands. This expands the list to include every available Outlook command, including the one that opens your email templates. Scroll through the list and find Choose Form, select it, then click Add to move it into your new group on the chosen tab. Choose Form is the command that opens a window where Outlook stores forms and templates, including the ones you've saved for reuse. When you're done, click OK to apply your changes and return to Outlook. You'll now see your new group on the tab you selected with the Choose Form button ready to use. Click it anytime you want to access your templates. In the window that appears, you can navigate to your stored templates. If you keep personal templates, you'll typically find them under a location labeled for user templates. If nothing shows up, double check that your messages were saved as Outlook template files, which use the .oft format. That's it. You now have a one-click shortcut to your email templates right on the ribbon. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in your daily workflow, keeping your most used responses just a click away.